When we study declensional endings, we focus on 5 important cases: the nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and ablative. But there is a 6th case which we are also using, the vocative. With the help of this hand on a stick and 2 orange skeletons, we will explore the formation and the use of the vocative case. Here are the endings of a first declension noun in the 5 most important cases, both singular and plural. Let me add the vocative forms to this chart, as your textbook does. You will notice that the forms of the vocative are the same as the forms of the nominative, both singular and plural. This is not particular to the first declension. In fact, the nominative and vocative have the exact same endings almost all the time in the first declension, the third declension, the fourth declension, the fifth declension, and the second declension plural. That leaves the second declension singular. This is the only place where the vocative has forms different from the nominative. Second declension masculine nouns that end in us have the ending e for the vocative. Second declension masculine nouns that end in ius have the ending long I for the vocative. And the adjective meus, mea, meum, the possessive adjective that means my, has an irregular vocative, m long I, in the masculine singular. Outside of these few examples in the masculine singular of the second declension, the vocative and the nominative have the exact same endings. Even in the second declension singular, if a noun ends in er or ir, its vocative also ends in er or ir. And second declension neuter nouns, which end in um in the nominative singular, have a vocative in um. The vocative is the case used for speaking directly to a person. The vocative often accompanies the imperative mood, as in sentences 2 and 3, if the speaker is directly addressing the person he is ordering around. The short word o, seen in sentence number 3, sometimes accompanies a vocative. You don't need to translate it, but it helps you identify a noun as vocative. Since the vocative and nominative look alike so often, you might need the help. And that's what I mean by the vocative.